Hi kids, how are you? Hope you are all good. So today we are learning some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, draw a something line of all the numbers. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. Z-E-R-O, 0. Okay, these are all the numbers. Now introduce some color pencils. These are all color pencils. Red color, pink color, brown color, ash color, black color, violet color, orange color, light green color, sky blue color, yellow color, and green color, blue color. Okay, first red color. 1. Red color. 1. Red color. Sky blue color. 2. Sky blue color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Yellow color. 3. Violet color. 4. Violet color. 4. Light green color. 5. Light green color. 5. Orange color. 6. Orange color. 6. Pink color. 7. Pink color. 7. Ash color. 8. Ash color. 8. Blue color. 9. Blue color. 9. And finally black color. 10. Black color. 10. Okay, now write the names. Okay, 1. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O, 2. T-H-R-E-E, 3. F-O-U-R, 4. F-I-V-E, 5. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-N, 10. Okay, and the colors: red color, sky blue color, yellow color, violet color, light green color, orange color, pink color, ash color, blue color, and finally black color. These are all the color. 1, 2, 3, four, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Bye kids.